Hello, I'm in a 2014 Kia Soul, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, start your vehicle, which this is currently on, and make sure your radio is on. And we go to our phone, and then under pair, we'll do the 1. And there's a limited number of
from
phones.
Your device in order to search.
So as it said, turn on your phone. This is your Bluetooth symbol, so you want that on, and then press and hold usually pull up your pairing screen.
Select the device name that matches car name on the screen.
So it wants to match Kia Motors, so we'll pair up Kia Motors once that pops up. Sometimes this takes a few tries, so you might need to restart your phone a few times or the car to do this, but we're pairing, and it should start to do a process here in just a moment. So it wants us to match these random numbers, which yes, they do match. So it should be connected now. So now you should be able to play music, take calls, those sorts of things.
The download is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
So this should be set up now. And then just under media here, if you have this Bluetooth audio on, now you should be able to play music from this screen from your phone. So yeah, every phone's different, but you should, if you have music playing on your phone now, it should be synced up to your vehicle. And then in the pairing too, there's a limited number of phones that can be stored. So sometimes you might have to go through and delete a phone first from this menu, which was one of these options here, before you can add a new one. So with that said, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.